Travelers, only those with a kind heart may continue. Tell me, what shines brighter than the moon crystal?
Kindness. A single act of kindness can light up someone's world.
A wise answer. You may pass.
I knew you'd solve the first test. This is a moonflower. It only blooms when the moon crystal's magic is strong. It's fading. There must be something we can do. You gave it hope. The forest is beginning to trust you. The moon crystal's magic is still guiding us. It's showing us the way. One at a time. Stay close and don't be afraid. That's a crystal butterfly. It only appears to those chosen by the moon crystal. It's trying to show us something. Follow it. It knows the safest way through Whispering Wood. This is the guardian of the moon tree. We're here to save your forest, not to take what's yours.
Then accept this gift, chosen one.
The pendant unlocked the hidden cave. Maybe this is where we'll find our next clue. Stay close. No one has entered this cave for a very long time. This is what our village looked like before the moon crystal disappeared. We'll bring that light back. I promise. The orb is trying to show us where to go next. The moon bridge has awakened. Only the moon pendant could reveal it. Then let's keep going. We're one step closer to the moon crystal. It's safe, Mochi. The bridge is made of moon magic. This must be one of the moon shrine's sacred treasures. The moon key. It feels like it's waiting for us. Grandma said every key unlocks another piece of the journey. Let's keep going.